The fourth Rite Tabletop stretches. From a seated position, plant your feet forward, about hip width apart. Bring your palms underneath your shoulders. Fingers can face forward or side to side or behind you. It depends on how much of a wrist stretch you want. Now you're going to take a deep breath in as you lift the hips, pushing the feet into the mat, gazing up. And exhale as you swing your hips between your hands and bow. We'll do that 21 times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. For stronger core work, try floating the hips and not let them touch the mat.